Solve the following equations and check your results. First one, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. That we can write as 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x, 1x. That means x is equal to 18. Now we got the value of x as 18. To check, first we will take LHS. Here LHS, left hand side of the given equation, that is 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into value of x, that is 18. 3 into 18, what we are getting? 54. Same way RHS. Right side of the equation, 2x plus 18. That we can write as 2 into value of x, 18 plus 18. So 2 into 18, 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So we can write our answer is correct. Hence it is correct. Second one, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. We can keep all the variable terms, t terms on the left side of the equal to sign. So 5t already on the left side. When we are moving 3t from the other side to left, it will become minus 3t is equal to minus 5 already there on the right side of the equal to sign. So keep that the same way. And when we are moving minus 3 from left to right, it will become plus 3. 5t minus 3t, that is 2t, is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2. That is t is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. To check, LHS is here given 5t minus 3. That means 5 into value of t minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 minus 3, which is equal to minus 8. RHS. T minus 5, which means 3 into minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 8. LHS and RHS are same. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified, or hence it is correct. To check your results, so it is correct. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 3, 2. 2x is equal to 5 minus 9. It will come minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Checking. LHS 5x plus 9. That means 5 into minus 2 plus 9. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 9 is equal to minus 1. RHS 5 plus 3x. It is equal to 5 plus 3 into value of x minus 2. It's equal to 5 plus 2 in minus 2 into 3 minus 6. It's equal to minus 1. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Both the answers same. So we can write hence verified. Now fourth one. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. When we are moving or shifting from one side to other side of the equal to sign, we have to change the sign. Here plus 3, when we are moving to the right side of the equal to sign, that will become minus 3. 4z minus 2z, 2z is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. Which means z is equal to 3 by 2. Now to check. LHS 4z plus 3, which is equal to 4 into z 3 by 2 plus 3. We can cancel 4 and 2 by 2. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. RHS 6 plus 2z is equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 can cancel. Is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here also LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is correct. Now fifth question. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. 2x minus x, when we are moving to left, that will become plus x. It's equal to 14 already there on the right side. When we are moving this minus 1 to the right side, that will become plus 1. Now 2x plus x, that means 3x is equal to 15. That is x is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. LHS is equal to 2x minus 1. 2 into value of x 5. 2 into 5, 10 minus 1. RHS is equal to 14 minus x. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Both the answers are same. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Eight x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. That is 8x plus 4 is equal to, we had to open this bracket, 3 into x. First we have to multiply 3 into x, then 3 into minus 1. 3 into x, 3x, then 3 into minus 1, minus 3, then plus 7. That is 8x. Now we are moving this 3x to the other side. Minus 3x is equal to, here already minus 3 plus 7, and we are shifting this 4 to the other side, minus 4. Now 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to, negative numbers first we can add, minus 3 and minus 4, that will come minus 7 plus 7. That means it's equal to minus 7 plus 7, 0. So x is equal to 0 by 5. 0 by any number, that is equal to 0. To check, LHS is equal to 8x plus 4. 8x plus 4 is equal to 8 into 0 plus 4. 8 into 0, 0 itself, plus 4, 4. RHS 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 7 is equal to minus 3 plus 7 4. Both the answers same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is correct. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. It's a fraction. So first we try to avoid this fraction by multiplying x with 5. Cross multiply. So we can write 5x, 5 into x. 5x is equal to this side 4 into x plus 10. That means 5x is equal to, open this bracket, 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. When we are moving 4x to left side, 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. 5x minus 4x, that is x, is equal to 40. Now check LHS. LHS only x is there. X is equal to 40. Then RHS. 4 by 5 into x plus 10 is equal to 4 by 5 in place of x, 40 plus 10 is equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10, 50. So we can divide by 5. Here it will become 10. That is equal to 40. Now we are getting LHS and RHS with the same answer. That's why we can write LHS is equal to RHS, and therefore it is correct. Eighth question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. First we can move x terms to left. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 already there, and moving 1 to the other side, 3 minus 1. Now you can see the denominator, the first term, that is 3, here 15. So we can take 15 as the LCM. We know that here 3, to make that as 15, we had to multiply by 5 up and down. Now this also is coming as 15. The numerator, it will become 2 into 5, 10x minus 7x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. That is 10x minus 7x, 3x by 15 is equal to 2, which means 3x is equal to 15 into 2. That means 30. So x is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10. Now to check, LHS is equal to 2x by 3 plus 1. That means 2 into x is 10 by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into 10, 20 by 3. Again we have to take 3 as the LCM. So 1 we have to multiply, 1 we can write as 1 by 1, multiply up and down with 3. So what we are getting, 20 plus 3 into 1, 3, divide by the same denominator. It's equal to 23 by 3. Now RHS. 7x by 15 plus 3. That means 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. 15 and 10 we can divide by 5. Here 2 times, here 3 times. That is coming 14 by 3 plus 3. Again 3 we can write as 1 denominator and multiply up and down with 3. So 14 common denominator 3. 14 plus 3 into 3 9, which is equal to 23 by 3. Now we can see left hand side answer 23 by 3, right side also 23 by 3. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is correct. Two y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. That is 2y minus y. When you are moving to left, it will become plus y. Is equal to 26 by 3 already on the right side. Now minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y, it will become 3y. Here same denominator. So we can write 26 minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 26 minus 5, 21 by 3. That is equal to 7. We can divide by 3. Then y is equal to, now we got 3y is equal to 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 by 3. So we have to check LHS. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3, which is equal to 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 3 is the same common denominator. So 14 plus 5, 19 by 3. Now RHS. (26 by 3 minus y). Question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. That is 2y minus y. When you are moving to left side, it will become plus y. Is equal to 26 by 3 already there on the right side, and when we are moving 5 by 3 to the other side, that will become minus. Now 2y plus y, that is 3y, is equal to, here 3 is the denominator, common denominator. So we can minus the numerator. 26 minus 5 by the LCM or the common denominator. 26 minus 5, that is 21 by 3, which is equal to 7. That is 3y is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7 by 3. Now to check LHS. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 into value of y 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. There the common denominator 3 and 14 plus 5 is equal to 19 by 3. Same way RHS. 26 by 3 minus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Here also same denominator 3. 26 minus 7, that is equal to 19 by 3. Now LHS and RHS same answer. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is correct. Tenth one, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. That is 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m is minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. We can cancel negative sign from both the sides. Now 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Cross multiply. That is 2 into 5. 10m is equal to 8. Then which implies m is equal to 8 by 10. We can simplify by 2, 4, 5. So 4 by 5. M is equal to 4 by 5. Now we can check LHS. LHS is 3m, which is equal to 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5. RHS. 5m minus 8 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5, which is equal to 5 into 4, 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. That is 20 minus 8 by 5, which is equal to 12 by 5. Now here LHS and RHS are same. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS, and hence it is correct. Solve the following equations. First one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. We can keep all the x terms on the left side. X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now you can see denominators 2 and 3. So we have to take LCM as 6. 2 and 3, LCM is 6. To make the denominator 6, we have to multiply up and down by 3 here. So we will get 3x. We got the denominator as 6. Here we have to multiply by 2. Minus 2x is equal to this side 4 and 5. So the LCM is 4 and 5, that is 20. To make 20, 4 into 5. So 5 by 20 plus this we have to multiply with 4. So 4 by 20. Now we are getting 3x minus 2x, that is x. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. This we can cross multiply. When you are cross multiplying 20 into x, that means 20x is equal to 20 into x. 20x is equal to 6 into 9, 54. Then x is equal to 54 divided by 20. This we can divide by 2. Here we are getting 10, here 27. So x is equal to 27 by 10. That is x is equal to 27 by 10. That's the answer. If you want to check your answer, to check LHS. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 27 by 10. There is the value of x and again 2 there in the denominator. Minus 1 by 5 is equal to 27 by 2 into 10, 20 minus 1 by 5. We can make this also as 20 by multiplying with 4. So here we are getting 27 by 20 minus 4 by 20 is equal to 27 minus 4 by 20. That is equal to 23 by 20. It's the left side answer. Now RHS. X by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to x, value of x is 27 by 10. And again, that's the value of x. Again, 3 is there in the denominator. Plus 1 by 4. Here 3 and 27 we can simplify. 9. So we will get 9 by 10 plus 1 by 4. Here also LCM of 10 and 4, that is 20. LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. So we can take 20 as the denominator. Here 10 into 2. So 18 plus 4 into 5 plus 5. 18 plus 5, what we are getting? 23 by 20. So LHS answer 23 by 20, RHS also same. We can write that is LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Second one, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Here the denominator is 2, 4, 6. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 4, 6. By 2, 1, 2, 3. Again by 2, 1, 1, 3. By 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. It's equal to 12. Now we can take this side. All the variables are on the left side. So 12 was the LCM. And n by 2. 2 into 6. We have to multiply with the 6 to make it 12. So 6n minus 4 we have to multiply by 3. Then denominator will become the 12. Numerator, when you are multiplying by 3, it will become 9n. Here 6 into 2. So numerator also by 2. 5n into 2, 10. Is equal to 21. That is 6n plus 10n, that will become 16n minus 9n. So 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Now cross multiply. 7n is equal to 21 into 12. This 12 is going to the other side. Then n is equal to this 21 into 12 divided by 7. This we can simplify by 3. So 3 into 12, that is 36. Now we are getting n is equal to 36. Now to check LHS. LHS is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to n is 36. 36 by 2 minus 3 into 36 by 4 plus 5 into 36 by 6. When you are simplifying, here 18 minus by 4. 9 times in 36. 3 into 9, 27. Plus by dividing by 6. Here 6 times. So 6 into 5, 30. C equal to, add the positive numbers. 30 plus 18, that will become 48 minus 27. C equal to 21. LHS answer is 21. Now RHS, already there only that number 21. That also 21. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. We can keep all the variable terms on the left side. That is x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7. Here 3 and 2 is there in the denominator. That means 6 is the LCM. We can consider this x as x by 1, that into 6. So 6x minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. So here 8 into 2, 16x. Here 2 into 3 to make that as 6. Here also 3. So 15x. is equal to, here 7 we can consider as 7 by 1, that into 6. So 17 minus 42. That is, add the positive terms first. 6x plus 15x, 21x minus 16x, that will come 5x by 6 is equal to 17 minus 42. That means 42 minus 17, 25. Bigger number is negative, so minus 25 by 6. We can cancel 6 in the denominator both the side. So we can cancel that. Here we are getting 5x is equal to minus 25. That is, x is equal to minus 25 by 5 is equal to minus 5. Value of x is equal to minus 5. Now we got value of x. Then to check, LHS. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to, value of x is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 7 minus 8 into minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 5 plus 7, that is 2. Then minus of minus, minus into minus, that will become plus. 8 into 5, 40 by 3. That we can write as 2 as 2 by 1 plus 40 by 3. 3 as the LCM. Is equal to 2 into 3, 6 plus 40. That means 46 by 3. Now RHS. RHS this one. 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2, which is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5 into value of x is minus 5. So minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 17 by 6 minus into minus plus 25 by 2. Here also LCM is 6. 17 plus 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6, here 75. So 17 plus 75 is equal to 92 by 6. When you are dividing by 2, we will get here 46 is equal to 46 by 3. Now we can see LHS and RHS with the same answer. So LHS is equal to RHS, that it hence verified. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Here we can cross multiply. That is 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Just cross multiply and open the bracket. 5 into x, 5x, again 5 into minus 5, 25. It's equal to 3x minus 9. 5x minus 3x is equal to 9 plus 25 to the other side. 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. 2x is equal to here minus 9, so this will come minus 9. Minus 9 plus 25 is equal to 16. That means x is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Now to check. LHS is equal to x minus 5 by 3. That means x is 8. 8 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. RHS. X minus 3 by 5. X is 8. 8 minus 3 by 5. That is 5 by 5 is equal to 1. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Fifth one, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. We can move this t also to the left side. That is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t is equal to 2 by 3. Now denominator of this t that we can consider as 1. So the LCM is 12. So we can make 12 as the LCM. And then 4 into 3. That means the whole entire term, both the term in bracket into 3. Then it will become 3 into 3t minus 2. So that will come 9t minus 6. 2 into 3, 6. Minus, here this 3 into 4. The entire thing into 4. We can keep that in bracket. So 4 into 2t, that is 8t plus 12. Here denominator is 1. That also we are multiplying with the 12. So we will get that as 12t is equal to 2 by 3. That is again 12, then the denominator 9t minus 6, open this bracket with a minus sign, minus 8t minus of 12, that means minus 12, then plus 12t. Add the positive terms of t, 12t plus 9, 21t minus 8t is 13t minus 6 minus 12. So that will come 18. 18 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Now we can cross multiply this. When you are cross multiplying, 3 into 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 into 12. Just cross multiply. So 3 into 13, that is 39. T minus 3 into 18, that will become 54. It's equal to 2 into 12, 24. That is 39t is equal to 24 plus 54. It's equal to 78. Then t is equal to 78 divided by 39. It's equal to 2. So t is equal to 2. Now to check, LHS is equal to 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3, which is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 by 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 2 by 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 by 4 minus 7 by 3, which is equal to 1 minus 7 by 3. Again we can take 3 as the LCM, so it will become 1 as 1, 1 to 3. Then we will get 3 minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. RHS 2 by 3 minus t is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2, value of t 2, is equal to 2 by 3, here we can consider as 1, so to make the LCM 3, multiply with 3. So 2 by 3 minus 6 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 6 by 3. That means minus 4 by 3. So LHS and RHS are same. We can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Question number 6. M minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. That we can write as m minus 1 by 2. Again this term to left. So that will become plus. M minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Here the denominators we can see, this we can consider as 1, 2 and 3. So LCM is 6. So multiply by 6 here, that will become 6m minus, this you can multiply by 3. So 3 into m minus 1. Whenever the minus sign is there in between, when you are multiplying, keep that in bracket first. So 3m minus 3. When you are multiplying with 3, 3m minus 3 plus this term we can multiply by 2. So that will become 2 into m, 2m, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. That is equal to 1. When you are opening this bracket, 6m minus with minus sign. So minus 3m, then minus of minus, that will become plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 by 6 is equal to 1. Now we can see 6m and 2m, 8m minus 3m, 5m. 5m and 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Now here we can cross multiply, that is 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. 5m is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. That is m is equal to 7 by 5. Value of m is 7 by 5. Now to check. First we have to take LHS. LHS is equal to m minus 1 by 2. That means 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 1 by 2. This we can write 7 by 5 minus, here 5 was the LCM. So this we have to consider as 1 by 1 and multiply that. So 7 minus 5 and 5 was the LCM. That also it will come with the same. So 5 into 2. Which is equal to 7 by 5 minus 7 minus 5, that is 2. 2 by 10. Already this 2 there in the denominator and this 5 also it will come there in the denominator. So 5 into 2, 10 as the denominator here. Now again 10 as the denominator. For that make this multiply with 2. So 14 minus 2 is equal to 12 by 10. That is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Now RHS. RHS is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Which is equal to 1 minus m is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus, here we have to take 5 as the LCM. So for that 2 by 1, that you have to multiply with 5. So we will get 7 minus 10 and 5 is the denominator here, that into the whole thing divided by 3. That also we have to write. Which is equal to 1 minus 7 minus 10, that means minus 3 by 15. Now we can write that as 1 minus of minus plus 3 by 15. 3 by 15 we can simplify, we will get 1 by 5. Which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 5. Now here 1 we can write as 1 by 1, multiply with 5 to make 5 as the denominator. So here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. Now you can see here LHS is equal to 6 by 5. This side also RHS is also 6 by 5. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Question number 7. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. So first one we can write, open the bracket, 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. When you are moving t terms to the left side, 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9. That is minus 7t is equal to 14. That means t is equal to 14 by minus 7. We can simplify, we will get 2 by minus 1, that is same as minus 2. So what we got? Value of t is equal to minus 2. Now to check LHS is equal to 3 into t minus 3. That means 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 2 minus 3. That means minus 5 is equal to minus 15. RHS 5 into 2t plus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Both the answers same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now next question, 8th one. 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Now we can consider all the 5 y terms. 15 plus 5, 20, 20 minus 2, 18. 18y and then 60 minus plus 30. So it will become 30 plus 18, 48, 60 minus 60. That means it will become minus 12. Is equal to 0. That is 18y is equal to 12, which means y is equal to 12 by 18. We can divide by 6, 2 here 3 times. We can divide by 3. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, then by 2 it will become 2 by 3. So y that is equal to 2 by 3. So value of y is equal to 2 by 3. Now to check LHS is equal to 15 into, in place of y we can put 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 4 minus 2 into 2 by 3 minus 9 plus 5 into 2 by 3 plus 6, which is equal to 15 into 3 as the LCM. So 2 minus 4 we have to consider as 4 by 1. When you multiply with 3, you will get 2 minus 12 by 3 minus 2 into, here also 9 as 1. So 2 minus, when you are multiplying by 3, 27 by 3 plus 5 into 2 plus, here also by 1 we have to multiply by 3. So 2 plus 18 by 3. Everywhere we can take 3 as the LCM. C equal to 3 as the LCM, and then here 2 minus 12, that means minus 10. Minus 10 into 15 minus 150. Here 2 minus 27, that is 25. Minus 25. Minus 25 into minus 2 plus 50. Here 2 plus 18, 20. 20 into 5, 100. Now we are getting, which is equal to 100 plus 50, 150 positive, and then plus minus 150 divided by 3. That means 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Same, which is equal to RHS. 0 by any number. Here this 150, my negative 150 and plus 150, that will become 0. 0 by 3, 0. So that is same as the RHS. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Question number 9. First we can open the bracket. 3 into 5, 15. 15 z minus 21 minus 2 into 9, 18 z minus into minus plus 2 into 11, 22 is equal to 4 into 8, 32 z minus 4 into 13, 52. Then minus 17. Now we can keep all the z terms on the left side. For that we can simplify this. 15z minus 18z. So it will come minus 3z and minus 21 plus 22. That will come just as plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 52 plus 17. 69. Now when we are moving 32z to the other side, minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. 32 plus 3, that is 35. Both the numbers are negative. So minus 35z is equal to minus 70. That means z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35. We can cancel. Again 35 2 times is equal to 2. 35 into 2, 70. So z is equal to 2. Then to check. LHS. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 3 into 5 into 2 minus 7 minus 2 into 9 into 2 minus 11 is equal to 3 into 2 into 5 10, 10 minus 7 3 minus 2 into 2 into 9 18, 18 minus 11 7. Which is equal to 9 minus 14 is equal to minus 5. Now RHS. 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. 4 into 8 into 2 minus 13 minus 17. That means 4 into 8 into 2 16, 16 minus 13 3 minus 17 is equal to 4 into 3 12 minus 17, which is equal to minus 5. Now we can see both the answers are same. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Question number 10. Here we can see 0.25 on the left side and the other side 0.05. Decimal places, 2 decimal places are coming in both the side. So if we multiply by 100, multiply by 100 both sides, we can remove that decimal point. So if you are multiplying this side by 100, it will become 0.25. We know that 0.25 into 100, 2 places to left, it will become 25. Same way the other side also. 0.05 into 100, that will become just 5. So we can remove the decimal places by multiplying with 100. Both the side, left side and right side, with the same number of decimal places. That's why we are multiplying with 100, 2 places. So this side it will come 25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 into 10f minus 9. When you are opening, it will come 100f minus 75 is equal to 50f minus 45. When you are moving, 100f minus 50f is equal to minus 45 plus 75. That is 50f is equal to 30. Then f is equal to 30 by 50. We can divide by 10. It's equal to 3 by 5. That is value of f is equal to 3 by 5. This one of the method 1. If you want to do the other method, directly open the bracket . In the second method, that means directly without multiplying with 100 or without removing the decimal point, just multiply, same as that. So 0.25 into 4, we know that 25 into 400 and then 2 places to left. So it will come 1.00. F minus 3 into 25, that is 75. So it will come 0.75 is equal to, here when you are multiplying by 10, you will get 0.5 F minus 0.45. Now when you are moving this to the other side, here 1.00 F means, okay, 1.00 F minus this one, 0.5 F is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. 1 minus 0.5, we will get 0.5 F is equal to, when you are moving this one, minusing 0.45 plus minus 0.45 plus 0.75. That means 0.30. Then F is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.30 is same as 0.3. After that, the last place 0 is meaningless, so we can write that as 0.3 itself. Now F is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.5. Same decimal places up and down, so we can write that as 3 by 5. Or by multiplying with 10, we will get 3 by 5. So both the answers same. Any one method you can follow. If you are directly multiplying, everywhere it will come decimal point, and finally we will get the answer same. Or if you are multiplying straight away by 100, we can avoid the decimal places and then you get the answer. Now to check. LHS 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.25 into 4 into 3 by 5 minus 3. That means 0.25 into 12 by 5. Here 3 by 1 we can take, so 15 minus 15 by is equal to 0.25 into 12 minus 15 minus 3 by 5. We can simplify. Here we will get 0.05 0.05. So when you are multiplying by minus 3, we are getting 0.05 into minus 3 is equal to 0.15. Now RHS 0.05 into 10f minus 9, which is equal to 0.05 into 10 into 3 by 5 minus 9, which is equal to 0.05 into, here 5 and 10 we can cancel, or we can divide by 5. 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 9. It's equal to 0.05 into 6 minus 9 means minus 3. So when you are multiplying 15, that means 0.15 and the negative sign, minus sign. Now we can see both the answers are same 0.15. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified.